Good morning, everyone. So, to the honorable members of the Sangguniang Bayan Sablayan, under the leadership of Vice Mayor Piedad Nito, thank you for this profound honor and for recognizing the accomplishments in passing the 2025 Maritime Examination. Standing before you here today is deeply meaningful to me. Because just last year lang, I sat among the audience in this very hall, proudly watching my wife receiving the same recognition. And actually, during that time, sabi niya, she challenged me, babe, one take lang. Then, we had a new spousal distinction back then. And then, today, by God's grace, I stand here receiving it myself. Sabi ko, babe, mission accomplished. Sabi nga nila, God is a beautiful way of rewarding those who persevere. Pero para sa akin, this recognition is more than just passing the bar. Hindi lang ito personal achievement, ito rin ay victory ng buong pamilya. Some of you know our family story. More than 20 years ago, I came from a broken family. Pero sa realidad na iyon, natutunan ko ang isang katotohanan. A broken family or a broken beginning does not mean a broken destiny. Even through challenges, I was blessed with the loving and supportive parents. My mama and papa Nes. Hindi sila kailanman tumigil maniwala sa aming kakapatid na kaya namin despite our family situation. Naalala ko nung ako ay elementary, naging maliit pa rin ako sa San Sebastian. Si Papa niya sa gumagawa ng acting speech, habang si Mama naman ang nag-aasikaso ng mga bisita during my graduation. And now they are here again, supporting me in yet another milestone. As I look at them today, it feels as though time has come to closer. Only now, we stand here just as a family. Only now, we stand here not just as a family surviving, but as a family thriving. But I know, ako yung ko ay si Grace. Si May, recognize kayo na, is now an accomplished medical doctor. At ako maratay ko bilang isang relang tabugaran. Eh, masasabi talaga, napakapalad ko sa buhay. Baka ako pa nga ako na nasa nyo na may asawang lawyer, may sister na doktor, at may nurse na kapatid na lang. Sa totoo lang, if there's one thing I have learned in life, it is this. When the family chooses love over pain, faith over bitterness, and perseverance over defeat, generations can be transformed. Kaya, salamat, Papa Nes, Mama Ed, Filipino, Doc Freddy, for being always there for me, and staying the course. This achievement is not mine alone. It belongs to every person who prayed for me, encouraged me, and believed in me when the finish line still seemed far away. At isa na yan, ang maganda at matalino ko. Kaya sa mga nagkatagan sa akin during my high school years. Kaya, hindi tayo. And lastly, I thank my lovely and beautiful wife, Atty. Divine Matando. Alam naman po ng mga nasa law school na mahirap ang very ito. There were many times I wanted to quit. Maraming gabi na gusto ko na sumuko. Pero ang asawa ko, hindi niya ako hinayaan sumuko. Every time na siya tapos ang review, he always remind me of my purpose. And what's that? Miko, this is for you and your family. This is your way to honor them. So I did it. She gave me moral, mental, financial support, and most importantly, she believed in me Even during the times na ako mismo hirap na maniwala sa sarili ko. And then behind every achievement of mine is a woman who never stopped believing in me. And that's the only love of my life. Attorney Emmanuel Landon, Kaya Faith, maraming salamat. I love you. To the people of Sabdaya, who may be listening today, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, mangarap kayo sa sarili ninyo and honor your parents. Never underestimate what God can do through a determined heart. And maybe someday, I hope to return that blessing para kasilbihan ang kapwa ko sa Mayor. Bilang sa abogado, or maybe sa professor, or perhaps tayo naman ang experience sa mag-gobyerno, isang government employee. Again, maraming salamat sa muli ang tayo sa tayo for this honor and recognition. Mabuhay sa Sabdaya.